Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change country on Shopify Store in 2023. First, go to your Shopify account. Here, click on Settings on your bottom left corner. Then go to Store Details. Now there is a specific option to change country here, so click on Edit right next to Billing Information. Go to Country or Region and select your desired country or region from the given list. You can select whatever country you want. Once you're done, click on the Save button on your top right corner. This is how you can change country on Shopify Store. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.